Kevin Durant set to make his return to action Wednesday against the Clippers. The Warriors forward is 25 points away from scoring 20,000 in his career, and that would be significant.
Yes, it would. It would be. He would be the second to get there, the second youngest to get there. The youngest was LeBron James, 28 years old and 17 days. Right now, Kevin Durant is 29 years and 103 days. He would pass Kobe Bryant as the youngest if he were to do it. And he would be the fifth one to do it under 30 years old. The others, LeBron James, Kobe Bryant, Wilt Chamberlain, and Michael Jordan. And Kevin Durant's going to do it. We know he's going to do it. He's missed some time with the calf strain, coming back from that. But there's been no player, speaking of the hot teams, no hotter player than Steph Curry. Remember, he missed 11 games with that ankle injury. He's appeared in 5 games since he's been back, averaged 35 points, shooting 57% from the field, 53% from three-point land. He is hot. Durant's going to come back and be a scoring machine. So this team, we have a little while to the playoffs, and that's really what matters most is the health there. But an early congratulations to Kevin Durant when he gets to that new milestone.
So you're saying you like his chances?
I like his chances a lot.